Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the ruler and aligning it to your face so measurements are reliable. Stand about 12 to 16 inches from a mirror, or have a helper sit directly across at eye level and remove glasses so nothing distorts the view. Place the 0 mark at the center of your left pupil and hold the ruler flat against the bridge of your nose. You want minimal tilt. Once done, steady the ruler with one finger so the markings stay visible and you avoid parallax error. Once aligned, look straight at a distant point so your eyes don't shift and keep breathing steady. You then read the millimeter mark at the center of your right pupil while the 0 remains at the left pupil. Note that number, then repeat the reading 2 more times to confirm consistency. If you prefer monocular PD, record left and right separately. For total PD, add them together. Make sure to average consistent readings and write them down immediately so you don't forget. To finish, verify your PD by repeating the process at least once, preferably with a helper checking alignment. Average the consistent values to finalize the number. Enter the PD exactly as monocular values or total PD into your eyeglass order. Many sellers request separate left/right numbers for precise lens centering. If your readings vary by more than 2 millimeters, reposition the ruler, ensure your head and ruler are level, and remeasure. Small tilts or parallax are the most common causes of error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.